I guess we can start now. So you should have like your lamb chops and like tenderize it. So you want to just like tenderize the meat right now. Yeah. Are you muted? Are you muted? And when you're done, you can like heat the stove, I guess. On a high heat, and I'll just wait for everyone. Also, make sure to get your seasoning. Is the salt and like the dried cumin. When you're done, please like raise your hand in like the Zoom meeting, and we'll start when pretty much everyone is done. I guess we can't really wait, so I'll tell you what we're supposed to do, and then I'll demonstrate it. So first, you want to like put all your lamb chops like in the pan for 1 minute, and then you want to flip, and then you want to add the seasoning, and you want to flip it and add seasoning and put it put it there on the other side for 1 minute. Then after that's done, you put a lid and wait for 3 minutes. And this is just what works for me. But like when you're putting it on one side for 1 minute, you should check in case it's like too burnt or like not cooked enough. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. Okay. Because everyone's pan is different and stove. Okay. So I'm gonna put it on right now. And Also, you don't have to put any oil because this is just gonna be spaghetti oil. I'm gonna put I'm gonna put your 1 minute timer, and we're gonna wait. In the meantime, you can help me add salt and dry seasoning. Um, Now that 1 minute is over, I'm gonna flip it onto the other side, but so I'm gonna flip it onto the other side. And I'm gonna set a 1 minute timer. Also, you should use something to like push it down, which I didn't do, so it's not as like good as if you actually kind of like push it. Okay, so now I've tried it for on both sides. Um, I can turn off the heat and then I can put the lid on and I'm gonna set up a 3 minute timer. And it's basically done by then. And also, if you're like lamb chops are like a little bit thicker, you can set a 4 minute timer instead of a 3 minute one. And now we get to wait. Also, if you have any questions, you can just put it in the chat. You should also check if both sides are good or not. Yeah. And you can flip it if it's like too burnt for you. And once that's done, you can put it on a plate, and that's basically it. And yeah, that's just the lamb chops.
Yeah.
If you still have any questions, you can put it in the chat, but this is basically the end of the class now.
你可以把它 cut 给他们看一看，秀一下里面。
Okay.
去吃的，对，可以去吃的。
And I'm just gonna use this one. And I'm gonna cut it inside and show you how it looks. Should look like this. And basically
It's
that's
very juicy.
it. Yeah, it's supposed to be very juicy. And if you still have any more questions, you can put it in the chat. But this is the end of the class. So yeah, it's very short and very simple, but it tastes really good. So yeah.